So he said, never go upon them that I anointed. That never shall you touch them. For it is me who separated them. So they may exist to praise me every day. That praise, worship him every day. A person who praises the Lord every day, who serves the Lord every day, has the surrounding. There is a word upon him. It tells all the enemies surrounding, telling all the mouth of the lion that they never touch that one of separated. You start to lift up God. There is a word upon your life. Commands every situation. Commands the devil to declare. It commands the child. This one anointed. Touch him that are separated. Whenever you start to worship God, there is the power of God that surrounds you to bring joy towards your life. No spear that comes in that to touch your life. Because God has blessed you, as you have to praise him, you have to exalt him every day and every day. Every day. Repeat that verse and we'll hear.
Temukomanga kwabo benafukaga amafuta so temukolanga bubi bannabbi bange. Muyimbire Mukama mu nsi zonna, mwolese obulokozi bwe buli lunaku.
Temukomanga kwabo benafukaga amafuta.
Touch not those ones are anointed. My prophets that stand before me, they are the one who shows my glory. They are my ambassadors. Because he calls them prophets. The prophets are the servants of God that take the message of God. That God reigns. The one who gives his blessing. He lifts his glory through your life. So his word speaks to you that give honor to my prophets. Whenever you lift up God, God is going to exalt you. His glory is going to come to your life. As the voice from heaven commands people surrounding you that glorify you. Why do you have this praise? Because you fail to worship God. You fail to praise the Lord. But if you praise the Lord, the voice will come to you that give my prophet honor. Lift up my prophet. Even though you married a small, whenever you exalt the Lord, one day shall come, a person who is like a lion before you, who tells you not to go away from here. Because the one that says, honor my prophet, he will tell you, go and worship the Lord. He shall obey your voice. He shall listen the words from you. Because God is going to lift you as you have to be honored. Amen. Nothing like a battle shall come here and overcome. If it is for the Lord, clap him. For we have to exalt God. We have to thank God every day. We were in the days of worship. They showed us the full living as they worship God every day. They thank Him every day. And God is glorified for this full living. Now the Bible says the one I formed so he may declare my glory. And see how you're giving away God's glory. That's why suddenly
enemy shall come upon you.
That's
why the enemy shall overcome you. That's why you lack being listened. Because you fail to listen to your heart. Time has come and here it is. So we may get determined to worship God. We get determined to lift Him high. Amidst that amidst all the problems, let's feel like there is God who is sitting at the throne. At the job where you are, in your marriage, in the shop, God wants to see as you put Him at His seat. Many times we put God out of His seat.